Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and password, because without credentials you can't sign out. Once done, make sure two-factor access is available. You'll need verification codes. Next, back up any critical iCloud data, photos, contacts, notes, to iCloud or locally so nothing is lost. Then, go to Settings and prepare to disable Find My iPhone. This step is required and prevents activation lock. Following these actions prepares your device for a clean. Now you disable sync services to control what stays on device. Go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and toggle off photos, contacts, and other categories you want locally stored. This keeps copies on the device. Once done, open Find My and turn it off using your Apple ID password or verification code. After Find My is disabled, tap Sign Out at the bottom of the account page, enter your password to confirm, and choose which data to keep on the device. Finish by restarting your device to refresh the iCloud connection, and then verify the account has been removed from settings. If Sign Out still fails, make sure you're on a stable network. Verify Apple ID status at Apple.com and respond to any two-factor prompts on trusted devices. If your Apple ID is locked or you can't get verification codes, initiate account recovery or contact Apple support. This is often the only way to remove activation lock. One key tip: disabling Find My is usually the blocker, so confirm that first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.